Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my lead gen secrets review. Okay, then this is the results from 2 months. So I'm making this video 60 days after I joined this program. So the last review video was just a month ago. You can see over here on April 30th from the first month, the first 30-day results after first 30 days. This is the results after 60 days. So as I had promised in my first video that I'm going to be in this business, my lead gen secrets, for at least 6 months, and then after 6 months I would decide if this is really something that you should be continuing or not. Okay, so because 6 months is quite a good time to judge a business if it's working or not. So this is the second month review and I'm going to be showing you the results. So far I have got 11,800 leads, as you know, because when you refer just one person to this program, you would get 200 leads every single day instead of 100 leads. Okay, so this is the mailing I'm doing. Okay, so quite reasonably good amount of clicks I'm getting for on daily basis, and I'm only promoting my lead gen secrets. I'm not promoting anything. In fact, in this video I'm going to be showing you something that no other people are going to be showing you. In fact, I contacted the support of my lead gen secrets and they have shared with me some of the swipes and some of the links which works really well. So these are the swipes, some of the swipes which are working really well. So you can basically, if you want the swipes, you can join with my link, or you can just message me on Facebook. Okay, you can just message me on Facebook and I'm still going to be giving you, even if you don't join me on my lead gen secrets. Okay, it's completely fine with me. Alright, but these are the swipes which are working really well. Okay, and they have shared with me which are the swipes which are working well. The one thing I really want you to share, if somebody hasn't joined my lead gen secrets, when you join this my lead gen secrets, there's a setup fee for $30, and $30 per month is the fee. And when you buy the front end, there's going to be the OTO1, which is master email swipes. It's a set of 30 email swipes. Now I would not recommend, because the swipes are too much spammy, but at the end of the day these swipes work with these leads, so can't help, you have to get it. Okay, but the one thing I would really want you to suggest is get it when you get the front end, because at that time the price is going to be just $29. If you get it afterwards like I did, you have to pay $60. So don't get it after some days, because you have to pay pay the double the amount. You have to pay $60 instead of $29. So make sure you get it when you get the front end. Okay, so that is it. So let me show you the results. So if you remember, in the last month I had shared my results. So let me share. Okay, so these were the results from the first month. The results after 30 days were $10 I had made, and after 60 days, to be honest, I have made $40. Okay, so $30 I withdrew. I got paid within the first 12 hours. So the support is really great. I'm really pleased with their support. When you email them with the support, they just give you good suggestions. They tell you which offer link to promote. They tell you which swipes are currently working with a lot of members and everything. And the support is, I think it's 24/7. There really is too much fast. Okay, so the first month I made $10, and the next month I made $40. In a nutshell, I made 3 to 4 times more than the first month. So eventually I'm happy, okay, because it is working. So this month fee is waived off. Okay, $30 per month is waived off with this payment. Okay, and top of that, the good thing is I got paid in Bitcoins. That is more beneficial for me. Okay, now what I would expect in the next 3, 4, 5 months. It's something that would give me a really good amount of information that whether I should continue with this business or not. And I do think that $40 if I made in the second month, I would expect again 2 times, 3 times more in the third month. Maybe not, maybe yes, I don't know, but we will see. And after June, I would make it on again on 30th of June, the next video for the results after 90 days. Okay, so this is the results after what is that, 60 days. I made $40. So first month I made $10. The second month I made $40. I got paid within 12 to 24 hours, 12 hours max, and I'm really happy about it. Some of the payment are recurring. So this guy is being on the recurring. Something I love about this program is recurring payment. Now you just imagine you get 100 people on the line, and every single person stays on the program for like lifetime. Trust me, that is 100 people into 5. You can have $500 every single month without you doing any work. The only thing you come in the morning, you click on a home page, you go to master email swipe, you pick up any swipe, and you can blast email within just 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, if you're finding it hard to get results, make sure to contact their support. You can contact it from here, and these guys will help you out. Okay, so for email swipes, if you want, you can contact me on my lead gen secrets. If you join through my link, I would appreciate it, but if you don't want to join through my link, it's completely fine, my friend. Okay, so these were the results after my second month. So results after 60 days is I have made $40, and if I click on my downline, I have got 5 upgrade members. Let's click on this. These are some of the sources from where I have got sales. So I'm promoting only this program. Okay, and to be honest, these guys don't like when you promote any other affiliate link. Any other affiliate program you try to promote, I have seen that these guys don't like it, or the stats are really, really fluctuating. Okay, so don't try to promote anything else. I would recommend to promote only this program, because when you start getting those recurring commissions every single month, you would understand the power of this program. Okay, so far I'm really happy about it. Second month results, I'm happy. Let's see in the third month what are the results. I'm expecting around $100 to $150. God knows where I would reach. Okay, but I'm really happy about it. Anything else I left out? I don't know. I'm not getting it right now, but eventually, yeah, I just remember some of the emails support team, they told me to promote this link. So if you are finding it in your affiliate promo tools, this is a link. This link is working really well. The sizzle page is also working really well, but you can try it out. This is the link which these guys are suggesting, which is working really well for my lead gen secrets member. But I love the first original sales page because it explains the whole fact really well. Alright, so that was my review after 60 days for my lead gen secrets. Any suggestion, any comment, any suggestion you have, any questions, well, you can comment below and let me know if you want the email swipes that these guys have given me. Okay, these guys have given me the email swipe. I can share with you those all email swipes. Alright, so my Facebook link is given below the description. Just send me a message and I will try to reply to you within 12 to 24 hours. Okay, so see you there in the next one for the results of my lead gen secrets after 90 days. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye bye.